left onto the Embarcadero.
Walk. Oh, where those boats going? Lots of boats. I don't know where the boat go, but I am going to San Francisco. So hello, Long Mesa. Let's go San Francisco with me. It's cloudy, cold, and 5 o'clock, that's why. PM. Looking for food. Come here so I can eat. Is it too cold while the boat is flying? Or is it like, you know, those scary movies? Close. I didn't do this. Stupid. Oh, they stopped putting Hella statue in San Francisco. Those kids, they're not cold. They're not cold. I'm cold for you guys. Pier 14, and I try to get to Pier 39. That's where all the food and entertainment. Look at that whale. Go in to go to those little islands like Alcatraz, Angie Island, take cruise to go places inside there. That's where September. To do this, and I was so scared. But anyway, at nighttime it's so pretty. Everything just pretty. Yay! I am in Pier 39. $89 for 3 people.
Y que me quisieron, hoy me tomo un trago y miro para el cielo, llevo su recuerdo.
They have no light, huh?
No, that's what they do. That's the entertainment.
Okay, we gotta look for a platform. Hey! Go back. Hey! A lot of people eat that. Big crab, so many crabs to eat. I thought that's all you can eat. It's pretty cheap out here. Oh no, baby, what are you buying? Okay, check this out. Lots of boats. They're getting crab, fish, everything you name it. They got it. Oh, it looks like they're successful. Look at that bag. It's a lot. Successful. Yummy, yummy. But then we just want sandwich. We want lobster instead. What you say, Daddy?
So just go up there and get some pad thai.
This is a seafood buffet that I see online all the time, like social media. Not sure it's good or not, but they say it's not too expensive. That's what I heard. Where people buy art, if you like art, right here. Last up, Spanish song. Woohoo! And here I am. I'm here. Get wet. Okay. Here's the fry. Here's the fry. But we like to get it out there. I'm gonna get the lobster roll, which is right here. The price goes up to $36 right there. And what else you gonna want? Check this out. Let's eat. So good. Clam chowder with bread. Perfect for the weather and it's so cold. Dip it. The lobster I will eat at home.
It's not as pretty.
Check this out. It's gonna be yummy, yummy. We're just gonna eat this here. Then we're gonna eat the rest when we get home. The lobster is inside. And here for the ribs. Goody. This is so California. Wow. Like an emperor. I'm not in China downtown, but they have a lot of like the Chinese stuff. I don't want to buy them, you know, when you later on you no longer interested in them. And then they become a junk, you have to know where to throw away. Throwing away stuff is so expensive. This souvenir, if you want to buy souvenir like man-made, look. 4 for $10. It's not bad. 4 for 10. It's pretty. People are taking pictures of this wonderful. Oh look, this is what my BFF and I want to go eat here. Okay, we come back another time. In trees. Oh, it's so cute when you go inside. Some toy. On my way walking back, looking at stuff. Pier Factory Pro. Hawaii original. And San Francisco cable car and their goodie right here. You want to bring home to your family a snack like this. To get one free. I see this car. How you call this car? Nobody joined this car.
No, because
It's taxi. You can book one. $35 if you not go for neighborhood that we're supposed to get a new statue, but I don't know when, where. But that's what I heard. Over here. So my friend said it ain't no $35. Okay, I'm done eating. I'm gonna eat the rest when I get home. Eating now.
Now turn right onto Mason Street. Now turn left onto Broadway.
So this is about 24 to 35 if you don't go far away, okay? And there is a lot in San Francisco. No driver at all. And then they everywhere too, but here another one. Ready to ride, hop on, that's it.
Washington Street.
Ain't saying nothing.
Someone get off? No. How about cable car? The cable car right there, and then that famous building right here. Nike right here. I'm coming here to pick up shoe for my son, myself, and my baby. This is China downtown. If you go straight in, that's you entering China downtown in San Francisco. Going home now, not too traffic, about 30 minutes.